Healing takes time. Understanding emotional recovery. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very important and relevant phrase in the English language. Healing takes time. This phrase is rich in meaning and is used in various contexts. Understanding it can help us not only improve our language skills but also our awareness of emotional and physical recovery processes. Let's explore what this phrase truly means and how you can use it in your conversations. Healing takes time is a phrase that underscores the importance of patience in the process of recovery. It consists of three key components. Healing. This refers to the process of becoming sound or healthy again. Healing can be physical, such as recovering from an injury, or emotional, like moving on from a traumatic event. Takes. In this context, takes implies that something is required or used. It suggests an expenditure of something valuable, which, in this case, is time. Time is the indefinite continued progress of existence and events. Here, it signifies the duration needed for the healing process to occur. Understanding each word helps us appreciate the phrase's full meaning. Recovery, whether emotional or physical, requires an investment of time. The phrase, healing takes time, serves as a gentle reminder that recovery is not instantaneous. It emphasizes the need for patience in two main areas. Emotional healing. Overcoming emotional pain, such as grief or heartbreak, is a journey that involves processing complex feelings and gradually finding peace. Physical healing. Recovering from physical injuries or illnesses also demands time for the body to repair itself. Recognizing that healing cannot be rushed is crucial for our well-being. It helps set realistic expectations and reduces the frustration often associated with slow progress. You can use healing takes time in several contexts to offer support, advice, or insight. Supporting a friend. If a friend is going through a tough time, saying, "Remember, healing takes time," can offer comfort and understanding. Personal reflection. Reminding ourselves that healing takes time can help maintain a positive outlook during our recovery journeys. Advice. When someone is impatient with their progress, whether in physical therapy or moving on from a loss, this phrase can be a kind reminder of the natural timeline of healing. We hope this video has helped you understand the depth and utility of the phrase, healing takes time. Whether you're learning English as a new language or looking to deepen your emotional vocabulary, remember that patience and time are key components of the healing process. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more insightful videos. Take care, and remember, give yourself and others the gift of time to heal.